TV show where we ask you if you want to marry Rebecca. Oh yeah, oh yeah. No, we're gonna. Okay, this is Dater Game, and we're gonna figure out if you are right for my amiga. Ooh, I can speak Spanish. Okay. No, you can't. Dear Rebecca, where would you like to go on the first date? Look this way. Ow. Where would you like to go on the first date?
Not your house.
Taco Bell. Okay. If you like to go to Taco Bell, if you like to go to Taco Bell, then you might be right from me, amiga. Question number 2. Where is your house? No, I'm just joking.
Well, if you really like to say.
Question number 2. What is your style? What is your style?
I don't know. My style.
Scene and skater. It's her answer. So if you're a scene or a skater, then you should date her. Question number 4, 5, or what question is this?
I don't know.
I think it's number 2.
No, 3.
Sorry if it's
5.
not. Okay. Question number 2. Describe your perfect guy. She wants someone who's gonna treat her right and tell her she's hot every day.
No, I'm not.
And smack that booty around. I tap it, if you know what I mean. Question number 6. Do you get high, or do you drugs, or are you just straight edge, as those emo scene people call it? I like scene.
Okay. Well, really going to be specific. Straight edge.
So, if you do crack, marijuana, heroin, or shoot stuff up your thing.
Heroin is that.
Heroin. Excuse me. Then she doesn't want you. Question number 18.
We didn't go that far.
Shh. It's funny. Question. Shut up, as I was saying.
Ow.
Question number 18. Do you love me?
No.
Her true answer is she loves me. And if you want to date her, contact us on our MySpace. You have to figure out what our MySpace is. First person to figure it out gets
a date.
Gets a happy message from us.
And a happy meal.
And they get to date Rebecca. This has been